Hello everyone, today we have 2012 Chevy Equinox. That's gonna apply for most GMC and Chevrolet. And the problem today is there is no remote start and the car equipped with a remote start. So if you hit lock and you hit start, the light comes up but the engine never starts. So if you scan the system and if you scan the car, and sometimes it shows you some fault. If the car has any fault or any trouble code, it will not gonna start. So our issue today was a jar circuit open B3006 and shorted to the battery. So we're gonna go ahead and open the hood and get the hood open, and there is a switch up here for the hood jar that is like a switch. You can bypass it or you can fix it. So I found the plug is broke, it's right here. So I cut it and then I will wire it up to the black and the CAN bus and the signal to the signal side. And the yellow is gonna be the bar which is not used for different models. So this one is 2-wire going to 3-wire switch. So we're gonna go ahead and connect this black. I will pause the video very quick. I'll connect it and then I will show you what I did. Okay, I'm gonna try again. Lock, and then here you go. Okay, so it was a quick and easy, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next one.